I have been having so many hats with me kasi nga I'm a mom already. So maraming mga standards na dapat nanay ka, ito lang ang dapat ginagawa mo. Dapat nanay ka, dapat hindi ito suot mo, 'di ba? Nanay ka, dapat nasa bahay ka lang. You're not supposed to lift weights. You're not supposed to
Yes.
you know, magluluto ka lang sa bahay ganyan. Pero yun nga the advocacy there is you have to really start taking care of yourself first. Because how can you take care of others, especially when you have a growing kid, if you don't know how to take care of yourself? And kahit hindi ka pa mom, paano mo mamahalin, paano mo aalagaan ng ibang tao if people are counting on you kung hindi mo alam alagaan ang sarili mo? And that came from my personal experience nga. So, trying to raise a daughter who's now 8 years old. Ayan. So,
Oh,
ngayon,
wow.
nakakatuwa lang kasi I am not just inspiring her. My fitness and nutrition journey, the way I live my healthy and active lifestyle is not just inspiring my daughter, first and foremost, and my husband as well, but inspiring na fellow moms like me who are just starting out in their fitness journey, who might not be that confident yet, maybe going to the gym, nahihiya, na nako-conscious, pero they can just really get started doing, you know, simple fitness movements at home, yun, and getting started with choosing better and healthier options at home. So that's how I started yung Husay ng Pinay,
Exactly.
Breaking Barriers.